phase 1 is done and dusted, and now we're gearing up for phase 2 of voting in Jammu and Kashmir. And Omar Abdullah led a very interesting Shikar rally at the Dal Lake. Of course, more than 200 boats were part of this rally, a trademark national conference rally with all these boats out at the Dal Lake. This, of course, as in the second phase, key constituencies in the valley are going to polls, including, constituencies that have been struck by terror, including Rajouri, Poonch, and other such constituencies. My colleague Nazir Masoodi, in fact, sent us this report.
It's a massive Shikara rally by National Conference to woo voters ahead of second phase of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Behind me, you can hear the music of Lehra-e-Kashmir ke Jhande. So it's about a song, it was a flag song of Jammu and Kashmir, the flag that was completely removed after abrogation of Article 370. But you can see that music is still being played in the election rallies, Lehra-e-Kashmir ke Jhande. So it is this election campaigning. If you see all this campaigning taking place, Omar Abdullah is leading this Shikara rally, campaigning for his party candidate Tanveer Sadiq from Zadibal constituency. So it can't be more beautiful than this. You can see Omar Abdullah here in this Shikara campaigning for his candidate. So more than 200 Shikaras are participating in this Shikara rally, election rally. So the biggest challenge for the political parties has been to boost voters because there was a drop in voter turnout in the first phase of assembly elections that was held on the 18th of this month, and now on 25th we have the second phase, just day after tomorrow. And the challenge for the political parties and election commission is to boost the voter turnout, because in 2014 assembly elections, voter turnout in J&K assembly election was 66%, but in the first phase it was just 61%, and there were several assembly segments, particularly in South Kashmir, which witnessed a sharp decline in the voter turnout. So that is the one reason that you can see political parties, particularly here National Conference, and this area is seen as a stronghold of the party. Omar Abdullah leading this Shikara campaigning here at Dal Lake, because they're sizable. You can see, I'll show you the houseboats. Population lives in the houseboats and in the Dal Lake. So it is a fight for each vote in these elections, because large number of candidates are participating in this election. So ahead of the second phase of assembly elections, political parties clearly making last-ditch efforts to woo voters. But besides who wins or who loses, this is a beautiful campaigning in the Dal Lake, where you see everything decorated with the party flags, slogans, songs, and the beauty of Dal Lake itself.